Hi, my name is Tanya and I love to travel. During these uncertain times of COVID-19, exploring safely has been tricky. I've found road trips to be the safest way to explore while still being safe. Over the holidays, I was lucky enough to have a friend, Namiko, who was, like me, unable to travel to her family and was up for an epic road trip. Join us as we cruise from my home in New York City down the eastern coast and back up through the Appalachian Mountains. In this week's video, we experienced some of the best of #Vanlife by glamping in the marshy woods of outer Savannah. Nomads, and welcome to our glamper. So right when you come in, to the right is this beautiful breakfast nook area. It's really adorable, well decorated with a chandelier and a deer, and this whole thing converts into like a double bed for your guest. Just to the right when you come in is your kitchen with a full large sink with, of course, one of these extending sprayers, which I love. There's a really cute mini fridge here with a freezer and a fridge part. As we go further back, there's a microwave here and a lot of counter space with different things available, including the kettle for hot water, coffee maker, and they even have a French press, which Namiko loves, so we're probably gonna have French press tomorrow morning. And there's a bathroom area. It has a full sink area and a place where you could easily put a porta potty in there. It has a shower, which is being used as closet space right now. For our stay, we're not going to be using this bathroom. There's actually an outer bathroom that we're going to use. Once you get to the back, you get to the bedroom. I really like how this bed is sort of sectioned off from the rest of the camper, so if you really wanted to, you could put like a curtain here and really make it private and sleep side to side, which I've always wanted for my own van. And it's a nice full bed with a TV and all these cute glamping decorations. So our camper is actually one of 3 Airstreams that are a part of this glamping Airbnb experience, and I just met our neighbors. They're super cool, and one thing that's really great is they're very COVID cautious, which is something I want in neighbors. And you can't have glamping without a hammock. So I just took a shower in the outdoor shower, which is great. Now I feel nice and cozy, and Namiko's been hard at work getting the ambiance going, lighting a fire in the fire pit, and I'm loving this. The lights have come on all around the campers, and it's just perfect. dinner, I made a simple pasta with cheese sauce, which was the perfect warm bowl to enjoy around the fire. We had an awesome evening getting to know our neighbors Emily and Daniel from a safe social distance across the campfire. It had been way too long since I hung out with a group of people like this. So we had our coffee and a little bit of breakfast, and there's supposedly like 5 miles worth of trail on this property. So we're gonna explore a little bit of it. We're going on the Gump Trail. Well, that's it for our time in Savannah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. We have more road trip to come, so if you want to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available.